Bunny up high on the shelf did touch, she said, "Be good, help yourself." But Kitty and Bunny went tip-toe-tap, with shiny little eyes and a sneaky little plan. Step, step, wobble, oh no, is the stool gonna hold? We don't know. Oh, sticky, sticky, honey went splash. Slippy, sloppy floor, what a sugary crash. Kitty went meow and Bunny went oh. Now everyone's feet are stuck down below. Sticky, sticky, honey on fur, on the floor, on the paws, and even on her. But we just laugh and we don't cry, 'cause a sticky little mess means a sweet goodbye. Kitten's got honey on her cute little nose, dripping on her whiskers and down to her toes. Bunny's feet are glued to the floor. Help me, oh no, I can't move anymore. Mama walks in with a big oh my, looks at the mess, then starts to sigh. But then she smiles and starts to laugh, 'cause family love is better than a clean kitchen bath. Oh, sticky, sticky, honey went splash. Giggle, 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 what a silly crash. We slipped, we slid, we made a mess, but we had more fun, yes, yes, yes. Sticky, sticky, honey so sweet, on our paws and on our feet. We clean it up, then what do? We make some toast just for me and you. Wipe, wipe, scrub the floor, wash those paws, we'll play some more. Working together, me and you, sticky or not, our love is true. Oh, yummy, yummy, honey on toast. Family time is what we love the most. Kitty and Bunny and Mama Cat too. Sticky little trouble makes sweet memories for you. Sticky days and sunny smiles, we'll laugh together all the while. La la la, honey so sweet. La la la, family so neat.